So hello sir, so today I'm going to perform a prenatal procedure which includes the Leopold's maneuver, Fundic height measurement, and solvings of the AOG and EDD or EDC using Naegele's rule to my patient. So now, ma'am, we will be proceeding to the measure of fundal height. So ma'am, now I will be doing the fundal height measurement. I will get my tape measure and find the zero line on it. Then, I will place the zero line of tape measure to the superior border of symphysis pubis, stretch to the across the contour of the abdomen to the top fundus along the midline, and I will record it. Before we start our Leopold's maneuver, ma'am, would you like to void first? Because, again, it might be uncomfortable to you during the examination. So now, ma'am, we're gonna proceed to the Leopold's maneuver. I will warm my hands by rubbing both palm surface of my hand. I will use my flat palm surface of my fingers and not the fingertips during palpation, and keep fingers hand together while applying smooth and gentle deep pressure as firm as necessary. First maneuver. I will stand at my patient's sides and palpate the fundus using both hands and determine the consistency, shape, and mobility of fetal part of the fundus. Second maneuver. Placing my hands on either side of the client's abdomen, about midway between symphysis pubis and the fundus, and placing my one hand steady onto the uterus on one side of the abdomen, while other hand is moved slightly on a circular motion from top to the lower segment of the uterus to feel for the fetal box small fetal parts. Third maneuver. I am still at the side of the client and facing off the client. Using thumb and finger, I am grasping the lower portion of the abdomen above the symphysis pubis while determining the presenting part feels like the fetal head or buttock and whether it is engaged. Fourth maneuver, pelvic grip. I am now facing the client's foot part, placing my palmar surface of my hand on each side of the abdomen. Using my both hands, and I am palpating fetal head by pressing downward gently with my fingertips about 2 inches above the inguinal ligament. If the hands converge around the pressing part, the head is not engaged. If the presenting part is engaged, there will be no mobility. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna write LD first. So here's the LD patient, August 12, 2021. So I'm gonna write the 9 months from August. So here are the 9 months, which is August, September, October, November, April. So I'm gonna write the days. April has 31 days, but I'm gonna deduct or subtract 12 since my month is August 12. So 19 days left. September has 30 days. October has 31 days. And November has 30. December has 31. January has 31. February has 28. March has 31. And April has 30 days. But I'm gonna deduct also 12 since today is... I'm gonna deduct 8 since today is April 8. So the answer is 22. So I'm gonna add. So I'm gonna add all of them. So the total is 253. So I'm gonna divide it by 7. So the answer is 36.1 or 36 weeks and 1 day. So for the EDD or EDC, I'm gonna write the August as 8. So it is the 8th of the month, which is August, 8, 12, 2021. Minus subtract by 3 months, 7 days, then add 1 year. 19. So the answer is 5, 19, 2022. I'll convert it to the month, 5, May, 19, 2022. So the EDC or EDD of my patient is May 19, 2022. So that's all for today's AOG and the EDC or EDD. So now, sir, I'm going to find the AOG and the EDC or EDD of the patient. So I have here the finished one. So how I did it. First, I have here the LMP, which is August 12, 2021, and I put 9 months from August up to April. So August has 31 days, but I deduct 19 since I deduct 12, and the remaining days is 19. September has 30, October has 31, November has 30, December has 31, January has 31, February has 28, March has 31, and April has 22 days because I deduct April 8 because today is April 8. 30 minus 8 equals 22. So total is 253. So 253 divided by 7. So here's my solution. After that, the answer is 36 weeks or 36.1 in my calculation. So I am done now for the AOG of the patient, which is 36 weeks and 1 day. So let's go to the EDC or EDD of my patient. So August 12, 2021, which August is 8 in months. August is 8, then 12, then 2021. So I will deduct 3 months, add 7 days, and add 1 year also. So 8 minus 3 equals 5, 12 plus 7 equals 19, and 2021 plus 1 equals 2022. So the answer is May 19, 2022 or 5/19/2022. So this is the EDC or expected due date of the patient. So that's all for today, sir. Thank you.